Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode of this cool amazing product right here. Basically what this is a set of tools that's used to cut your nails and etc. So let me actually open it up and show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so we have to open it up. You guys can see there's a case inside. Let's take it out. Alright, so when we first open up, they do provide you guys a little instruction or user guide right here to teach you guys how to use the different sets right here or different product inside. And then we guys take a look right here. This is basically what the case looks like for the actual product. So this is basically what looks on this side. And this will look on this side, and they do have the little opening right here, so you just want to press that to open it up. So you can see once we open it up, there's definitely a lot of stuff in here. But when I flip it this side, you guys can see there's definitely a lot of stuff on here. If you guys can see, they basically provide everything for you guys right here. And the cool thing about this set is the fact that everything that you guys see right here is made out of high quality stainless steel. So it should definitely last you guys for a while. So I'm actually just take out something like the nail clipper and show you guys what actually works. So I'll probably use this one right here, which is a normal nail clipper. And I'll probably use a filer as well. Alright, so you can see the product is pretty high quality. All we need to do is just flip around this way and go like this. And then you use the nail clipper option right here. So let me just cut a little bit of a nail right here that's kind of long to show you guys how it works. Alright, so you can see that definitely does work. So what I want to do now is to get the filer to even it out. Alright, so we're all set. So you can definitely see the product itself, it definitely does work and it is high quality. But you can see they basically provide you guys everything in here and they are all high quality. I really like the fact of how they provide you guys this case to carry everything in here, so that way when you guys are traveling, you have everything you guys need. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we're unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this set in particular, I definitely have to say that it is worth it if you guys want more need one of these, especially if you guys do take care of like your nails, your ears, and also for your toenails as well. Basically, if you guys want to do your own manicure and everything, you can basically do all of that on here. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have need one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.